Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 7 automatic cruiser motorcycles. Number 7, Honda Rebel 1100T. The Honda Rebel 1100T is the bagger cousin of the Rebel 1100, designed to elevate longer rides with added flair and practicality. This model features a comfortable seat and nimble handling, powered by a robust 1100cc engine that ensures a smooth and powerful ride. It stands out with its convenient saddlebags, which keep your belongings safe and dry, and a windshield that makes open-road adventures more enjoyable. Standard cruise control enhances rider comfort on extended journeys, while the Batwing-style fairing adds to its street credibility and aerodynamic efficiency. With 35 liters of storage space, the Rebel 1100T is perfect for those needing extra capacity without sacrificing style. Starting at $11,300, it offers exceptional value with its combination of performance, practicality, and distinctive design. The Honda Rebel 1100T is an excellent choice for cruiser enthusiasts seeking a versatile and stylish bike that handles daily commutes and long-distance tours with equal ease. Number 6, Harley-Davidson LiveWire. The Harley-Davidson LiveWire marks the company's first venture into electric motorcycles, seamlessly blending iconic heritage with cutting-edge technology. At its core is a powerful lithium-ion battery encased in a cast aluminum frame, enabling the bike to reach speeds of up to 110 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This electric marvel also features a fully adjustable Showa suspension, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. With 7 distinct riding modes, the LiveWire caters to a variety of riding preferences, from leisurely cruises to high-performance thrills. Designed primarily for urban riders, it offers an eco-friendly alternative without compromising on the excitement that Harley-Davidson is known for. Its sleek, modern design and advanced features showcase Harley's commitment to leading the electric motorcycle market. The Harley-Davidson LiveWire delivers an exhilarating and sustainable riding experience, proving that tradition and innovation can coexist beautifully in the realm of motorcycling. It's a bold statement that Harley-Davidson is ready to shape the future of electric motorcycles. Number 5, Honda Africa Twin. The Honda Africa Twin is ideal for both off-road adventures and long tours, offering a perfect blend of power and versatility. Its 1084cc engine delivers 101 horsepower, and riders can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an automatic dual-clutch transmission for seamless gear shifts. For 2023, new color options include matte ballistic black metallic and Grand Prix red, adding a fresh aesthetic appeal. The bike is equipped with a 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring riders stay connected on the go. While there are no major updates for the 2023 model, the Africa Twin continues to be a reliable choice, known for its robust performance and advanced features. With its rugged build and advanced technology, the Honda Africa Twin caters to adventure enthusiasts who need a dependable and versatile motorcycle. Its combination of connectivity, powerful engine, and transmission options makes it a standout choice for those seeking both excitement and comfort on their journeys. Number 4, Zero DSR. The Zero DSR is an electric adventure bike rapidly gaining popularity in the ADV world. It features selectable riding modes, including Eco and Sport, and allows further customization through the Zero Motorcycles app. Powered by the Z-Force 7510X motor, the Zero DSR delivers an impressive 166 lb-ft of torque, ensuring powerful and responsive performance. One of the standout features of the Zero DSR is its minimal maintenance requirements. Riders can enjoy the adventure without the hassle of oil changes or chain adjustments. The bike's advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, even over rough terrain, enhancing its appeal for off-road enthusiasts. Adding to its practicality, the Zero DSR comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty, making it a reliable and low-maintenance option for those seeking adventure. Its blend of high performance, ease of maintenance, and cutting-edge technology makes the Zero DSR an excellent choice for modern, eco-conscious riders looking for excitement and reliability. Number 3, Honda NC750X. The Honda NC750X is a versatile mid-sized motorcycle celebrated for its stylish design and practical features. It boasts an LED headlight, a muscular fuel tank, and a windscreen for enhanced comfort on long rides. Under the hood, the NC750X is powered by a liquid-cooled 745cc parallel twin engine that delivers 43 kilowatts of power, ensuring a smooth and efficient performance. One of the bike's standout features is Honda's automatic dual-clutch transmission, which provides seamless gear shifts for a more enjoyable ride. Additionally, the NC750X includes a unique front storage compartment with a capacity of 23 liters, perfect for carrying gear and essentials. Priced at $9,400, the NC750X offers exceptional value for both commuters and adventurers. Its combination of reliability, style, and practicality makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly yet feature-rich motorcycle that can handle both city streets and open roads with ease. Number 2. Energica Ego. The Energica Ego, an Italian electric sport bike, stands out for its remarkable speed and performance. Equipped with a 107 kilowatts motor generating 200 nanometers of torque, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.6 seconds and achieve a top speed of 150 miles per hour. The bike's advanced EMCE motor not only ensures silent operation, but also contributes to a lighter, more agile design, enhancing its range and efficiency at higher speeds. Despite some riders noting areas for improvement, the Ego offers a thrilling, eco-friendly ride, setting it apart in the electric motorcycle market. Its combination of rapid acceleration, impressive top speed, and cutting-edge technology makes the Energica Ego a leader among electric sport bikes. For those seeking high performance with an environmental edge, the Ego delivers an unparalleled riding experience, blending innovation with the excitement of a top-tier sport bike. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing is a powerful touring motorcycle featuring a 1,833cc six-cylinder engine that produces 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque. Its sleek design and advanced technology, including a 7-inch LCD screen, throttle-by-wire system, and multiple ride modes, make it a standout in the touring category. Weighing in at 84 pounds, the Goldwing offers a balanced and comfortable ride, enhanced by its superior suspension system, ideal for both rider and passenger on long journeys. With 4 available trims, including 3 equipped with Honda's dual-clutch transmission (DCT), prices range from $25,600 to $32,900. This variety ensures a luxurious and powerful touring experience to suit different preferences and needs. The Honda Goldwing combines performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features, making it a top choice for those seeking a premium touring motorcycle. Whether on short trips or extended adventures, the Goldwing delivers a remarkable and enjoyable ride for all enthusiasts. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for future videos.